Osas, how are we doing today?
Fine, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
So what can I do for you?
You know that my brother and I need a job. He's here to see you.
I remember. But does he really have strength to walk?
You can swim, you can walk, you can do anything.
If that is the case, let him in.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Young man, grab a seat. Young man, what are you doing? Why is the seat on your hand?
So you said I should grab a seat, or am I not doing it right?
First thing, please, drop my chair.
Oh my God.
By the way, if I may ask, where are you from? What village are you from?
So I'm from Ike village.
What?
No.
Hey!
No. You cannot be from K village. No.
So I'm telling you the truth. I said I'm from Ike village, Omarege family.
Oh, you don't mean it. May his soul rest in perfect peace. I mean, that's the father of our famous actor, Sylvester Uwadiae. But I'm not sure you are from there. Because people that are from Ike village, they are very smart, intelligent, and vibrant. Because even our sitting present governor of Edo State, Noregas Obaseki, he is from there. Despite he doesn't associate with his people, but we still accept him as our illustrious son.
Oh my God.
Anyways, that's by the wayside. Sit down and let's talk.
Jesus is Lord.
You mean what? Young man, what are you doing on the floor?
So I said I should sit down, and this is down. I'm sitting on it. Am I not doing it right?
You be mumu.
Wow, interesting.
You think say they wise?
So, I have come across another Dundee. Osas!
Yes, sir.
Could you please help me, assist me by asking your brother what he's doing on the floor?
What are you doing on the floor?
Oh my God.
Firstly, he told me to grab a seat. When I grabbed the seat, he told me that was wrong. So now he told me to sit down. And this is down, I'm sitting on it. Am I not doing it right?
You are doing it right. Sir, what is wrong?
So, you do not see anything wrong in what your brother just said or what he's doing? Wow. Are you serious? Okay, so you people do not understand the simple and common English. When I said sit down, it means sit on the chair. It doesn't mean you should sit on it.
I beg you.
Oh my God.
Don't confuse me with your English. You don't have to give me work. Just tell me you don't have to give me.
Hey!
Children of nowadays does not understand English, but a confused generation.